Hey, it's Danielle, and today I'm here to tell you about the Moon Pod. And I am trying this out. The company sent me these to review, and let me show you what we've got in the box. So let's get started. Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com. Before we get started, hit subscribe and make sure to visit my blog if you're looking for a list of supplies, or check out the description below. Okay, so they sent 3 different boxes. The one thing to remember is obviously do not open this with a sharp. This is the bolster pillow that you can go to prop yourself up if you want to work on a computer or anything. They've got the cover, and this one here is the chair. Again, you're going to have a cover with that too that you have to put on. And last but not least, it's the ottoman. Each of these bags, including the ottoman, is going to have a zipper with which you can open and remove any of the extra fluff if you are unhappy with how much is in it. They do seem to overstuff these, which in my opinion is a good thing, because if you like that, you can keep it, and if you don't, all you do is you save the other extra stuffing. You use them for a project if you want. Better to have too much than too little. You're just going to go ahead and get this out. These are really nice. They're comfortable. I keep mine in my closet because that's where I like to read before bed. It's comfortable to just sit there and relax and put my feet up and read a book. The port allows you to lean back, get comfortable, and feel like you are not laying down. Want a beanbag like a kid beanbag? My kids would probably love it without the bolster, but I like the whole set because I like being propped up a little bit. The best part about this is that they do sell a outdoor cover. I would actually go straight to buying that, because it would be really nice to be able to put this beside the pool and use it. And also, my understanding is the the outdoor cover is a lot easier to clean and wipe down. It's less prone to getting animal hair stuck to it, although these look easy to clean. The only thing to note is that it is hard to get them on. It's a little bit of a two-person job. It's just a little easier if you have a second person to zip while you hold the zipper closed, but this is fantastic. I think the regular cover is probably fairly easy to clean, and you can take it off and wash it as well, if I recall, but I haven't washed it yet, so for what that's worth. It doesn't look like it would be particularly difficult. But yeah, you can see, like, my dog hasn't been out here, but my socks have dog hair on it, so it is getting on there. So I think the outdoor one would be nice for indoors if you have a lot of pets, or just hair of your own, you know. And then you have the option to take it outside too. But yeah, overall, really happy. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. You can visit my blog, DIYDanielle.com, for more information. Take care.